Hi, welcome back to edtech. Today I'll be teaching you all about pseudo element focus. But before we start, what is focus? Focus is that particular state when the element is currently selected to receive an input. Usually you'll find focus pseudo elements are used for forms, labels and hyperlinks, etc. We'll see how. Okay, so let's go to our HTML and get started. And also before I start, I want to mention something that focus is only effective if you have a doc type declaration in your HTML. So that I've done already. I've prepared my HTML file so that I can go easy on you and finish the lesson pretty soon for my CSS. And since this is a CSS lesson, I've already done my HTML for that reason. So I don't want to burden you with the HTML things. Of course, I've already done forms for you, a forms tutorial for you. If you have not done that and if you're confused, you can refer back to my form HTML tutorial. I will include a description. I will include a link in the description below. Sorry. Okay, so let's get started. Doc type declaration followed by HTML open and close tags, body open and close, and within that you have a form open and close tag. And as you can see, the name label has an input type of text. The age label has an input type of number because age is in numbers. Gender label has an input type of text. So just 3 fields. And then close the form. Then you have a small hyperlink just to show you how hyperlinks can be styled using focus. Okay, get to our CSS, jump to our CSS. Now I show you how to use a focus here. So first let's select the input. So here input type, because you have 2 types of input here, so I'm going to select input type equals text followed by the curly brackets for styling, of course. Then let's say I choose a background styling light blue. So I choose for background styling as light blue, and this is on the element input. So I'm using the focus selector on input type equal to text. I forgot to mention the focus here. Remember, no space when you're doing the focus, colon followed by focus. Let's see the result here. When I press my gender here, input area, I get a light blue. Then I press name, I get the same thing. When I press age, I don't get. Why? Because I selected type equal to text. What if I remove this? Head back to my CSS. I'm getting for gender the style effect, for age also, for name. Even if age is there, type equals number, I still get the styling done. Why? Because I remove the condition type equals text. So this is how specific you can go with these styling selectors. Next, I choose the form. I select form, the form tag. Then I use the selector focus within. Now, what is focus within as compared to focus? Focus is styling the element that is selected, but in case of focus within, when you're selecting that particular descendant, it will also select your parent. So you can see that here. Let's choose the background as this particular color. Sorry, the C is missing. Okay, save, go to result. When I just choose gender is one of the descendants of form, right? my whole form is getting colored to cyan, the color that I chose. Same thing, whichever. So when a descendant is selected, when a descendant is focused, the whole form, or rather the parent, also gets styled. You're just selecting the descendant, but like here, for example, I'm just focusing on the gender is the descendant. I'm just focusing here. I'm selecting the gender, but my whole form becomes this color that I chose here in the background, the cyan. So when the descendant is selected and the parent also gets styled, that is when you choose the selector focus within, the pseudo element focus within. So that's the speciality of using the pseudo element focus within. And this is very useful, particularly in forms, huge forms with huge data, when you don't want to go and style each and every area. You just choose one particular descendant. You decide that you want this effect, and then just go and do this background color or even the font color, and you can style the whole parent also using this. Like in this particular case, the whole form color changes when a particular user selects that area, the descendant area. Okay, because earlier only when the user is selecting for focus, when the user is selecting that area, only that area is styled. Like gender, you select gender, only that field is styled. But here it's the whole form that gets selected. So that is when you use focus within. Then another example of focus for hyperlink is a hyperlink, right? A focus, let's say color, the font color I choose, I style as red, and then I want a border, let's say 5px solid green or green yellow. It's difficult for the yellow to show, so I just choose a darker color, let's say red. Okay, I think it was a px, let's say green yellow again. Click. Yeah, you can see the border now. My mistake earlier. I forgot to write the px. Okay, so as you can see, you can even do the focus on hyperlinks. For hyperlinks also can be styled this way. This is the usage of pseudo element focus and focus within. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment section, and I'll be including the source file in the description below, and also the related videos and lessons as part of specificity, because this is a part of specificity series, and there'll be a couple of more lessons in specificity. So see you in the next lesson as part of the series. And if you like to watch more of such videos and tutorials and become an expert in front-end development, please do subscribe. Remember to subscribe so that you can become a master in CSS and HTML. I'm also including some lessons in JavaScript, so you can take around a look. And I would appreciate if you can hit the bell button so that you can get the notification as soon as I publish. I publish regularly, so it'll be nice if you can do that. Okay, stay safe, stay subscribed. See you in the next lesson. Bye.